Hi, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today we're going to show you how to send an AI-generated email from a Google Doc. Are you watching the right video? Well, if you're interested in letting AI generate emails for you, and you'd like to learn how to do that using a Google Doc, then yes. First, some quick clarifications and redirects. Number one, you must have Google Labs enabled for this to work. No worries though, got you covered. Video 69 in the description down below will show you how to do that. Second, the deep dive into Gmails and Google Docs help me write features, not this video. Video 70 and 74, description down below. All right, now we learn. Okay, so help me write is and does what exactly? Well, it is Google's generative AI writing assistant that helps create and refine emails for you in Gmail or Google Docs. All right, so help me write. How do you use it to send an email from a Google Doc? Well, I can show you the instructions, which are right there, or we can do a demo, which is the preferred method. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. All right, so here we are in a new Google Doc, and you can see with a blank Google Doc, Google now presents to you some options, prompting you with the help me write, meeting notes, and so on and so forth. And you can see the email draft there as well. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to write a letter of recommendation from a Google Doc and send the email. So what I'm going to do here is click on the Help Me Write button. Got my cursor in here. Just going to throw in my very generic prompt, which is in the video outline that you can jump over and check out later. Write a letter of recommendation. So we're going to go ahead and ask it to do that. And it's going to be a very standard generic letter of recommendation, which is not going to be super helpful. And we're going to refine this using the detailed prompt that I'm going to add in here. Now I could come up here where this pencil is, right there. I could click that and I could rewrite my prompt right there. Another way to do this in Google Docs, which is only available in Google Docs and not Gmail, is down here in the custom option box. And I'm going to take my detailed prompt. Again, that is in the video outline if you want to check out the details of a detailed prompt, what are included in that in the outline. But we're just going to go ahead and paste this detailed prompt in here, right here. Take on the persona, blah, 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 all that stuff. Good questions, good results, right? So I'm going to give it some good questions to get a better result. And we're going to pretend whatever it gives us for the case of this demo is good enough. But I will pause and highlight that down here in the refine box, we have a number of options, and there are more options here or available in Google Docs than there are in Gmail. Just one of the reasons why using a Google Doc and Help Me Write can be more effective for you. All right, so we like what we've got here. We're not going to refine it. We're not going to do any other work. We're going to insert this. There it is. If I use Control A or Command A, I think on the Mac, I'm not sure, and then Control X, I'm going to cut this. I've copied it, but I've cut it, right? So I removed it from the document. And you see how these chips showed back up. As soon as your document is completely blank, these will reappear. But just in case they didn't, I'll show you how you can create that email draft, which is what we're going to do next using Google Smart Chips. So if I just type the @ button and then email, you'll see email draft is an option for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now I've taken the letter of recommendation that I wrote. It's right here. Now all I have to do is, using the @ button, I'm going to send an email to myself. And I'm going to put a subject line in here. Letter of recommendation for Captain John Smith. Let's pause. I'm going to do this. Excuse me. Let's say I'm sending this letter of recommendation to a number of people for Captain John Smith. This optionality or this functionality or this method in Google Docs is helpful for doing that if you want to send a number of generic emails over and over again. When I say generic, I mean I'm not going to be customizing the greeting or anything else. I'm just going to be sending the same email to different people over and over again. Google Docs is helpful for doing that, and I'll show you how. So I've got this email all teed up. I'm going to click on the preview. It's the same thing. It's just showing me that it looks, Is this how you want it to look? Yep, that's right. And I go ahead and click the send button. And it's done. Now I could come up here, erase the original recipient. Now I'm only going to send this to myself, but new recipient, and then just go ahead and preview. And then send the email. Rinse and repeat however many times you got to do this if you're, for however many people you're sending this to. So that's just another benefit of using Google Docs to send emails. The third benefit might actually be the most beneficial, which is that you are able to generate and send an email without ever actually looking at your inbox. And if you've ever just gone to send an email from your inbox and get sucked in, and 30 minutes later you've not actually sent that email yet, you've just responded to a bunch of requests of your time from other people, this helps you avoid that. It helps you avoid getting sucked into your inbox and allows you to just stay in the workflow, create an email in Google Docs, send the email, move back to whatever it is you were working on or doing before. All right, that's the demo. I want to make sure that there's nothing else that I forgot that I wanted to cover. Why should you use it? There's 3 reasons we're going to talk about here. Let's do that now. To send the same email to multiple people. So I talked about that. To enjoy the added help me write features in Google Docs. I touched on that, but now I'm going to show you all of the different features that are available in Google Docs and Gmail and where the disparities exist. So the help me write features, Gmail and Google Docs. Here are the features, and it didn't scroll down for me, so I'm going to have to do that on my own. And here's what's available in each. And as you can see, Google Docs has much more features available in Google Docs than there are in Gmail. And you saw me use the custom function to rewrite the prompt or to reprompt the AI to give us what we needed. In any event, there are the differences and another reason why you might use a Google Doc instead of Gmail. Finally, help me write. Why else would you use it? And I just want to drive this point home. Number one, to send an email without opening your inbox, such that you can avoid getting derailed by other people's priorities. All right. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, number one, there's link goodness in the description down below. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, or share with somebody else that might also enjoy this video or find it helpful. And please, as always, if you leave questions, I will leave answers. Now go and be productive.